found someone interesting to talk to.
He's talking to a dog. You talk to yourself. I don't know what's worse.
Fair enough. Do you hear him? He's looking for someone. Maybe we could...
Oh, no. If you want to meddle in others' affairs, go right ahead. But you'll be on your own. I'll wait.
Stop whimpering, Hussar. We'll look for Bastion later, once it's safe.
Do that often? Talk to your dog?
It's my brother's, Bastion's. But guess he's mine now. See, Bastion fought the Black Ones in a battle just outside the village. Haven't had word of him since. I told him, do like I did, lose a finger or two so they won't recruit you. Too damn afeard he was. Bloody hell.
Looking for a woman. Raven black hair, violet eyes. Came riding through from the direction of Willows.
Looking for someone myself. My brother. Fought the Black Ones just outside the village. Big battle. Then just disappeared.